architecture of this Singaporean house design with a west-facing orientation is characterized by its modernity and functionality. Sleek, vertical aluminum screens are strategically placed to shield the house from the intense western sun while still allowing airflow. Upon entering, one is greeted by a spacious entrance hall featuring a reflecting pool, creating a serene atmosphere. The high volume of the space adds to the sense of openness and grandeur. As one ascends the staircase alongside the granite-clad wall, the courtyard becomes a visual centerpiece, offering glimpses of greenery and open space from various vantage points. The juxtaposition of the sleek contemporary design with the organic elements of the courtyard creates a harmonious balance, enriching the overall aesthetic of the home. The granite-clad wall not only adds sophistication, but also serves as a canvas for natural light to play upon, casting intriguing shadows and reflections throughout the day. Its texture and color provide a striking contrast to the surrounding elements, further elevating the visual appeal of the interior space. Natural materials such as wood and stone are thoughtfully incorporated throughout the interior, adding warmth and texture to the minimalist aesthetic. The use of clean lines and neutral color palettes creates a sense of calm and sophistication, allowing the attention to focus on the architectural elements and design features. The master bathroom is a sanctuary of luxury with a freestanding vanity, bath, and WC. A skylight overhead bathes the space in natural light, accentuated by a delicate light chandelier, creating a tranquil ambience. Overall, this minimalist Singaporean house design with a west-facing orientation seamlessly combines contemporary aesthetics with functionality, creating a stylish and inviting living environment for its occupants to enjoy.